So it is generally tough to generalize something or generalize a method to solve a question or a problem, because there could be multiple ways. But let me give you a brief 3 steps which can be applied every time when you are solving a heat transfer related problem. So I am going to give you a 3 simple tricks, 3 steps solving which are useful to solve heat transfer problems. You may not be able to relate it with right now if you have not got all the concepts clear, but revising this thing after a one complete chapter of conduction or one complete chapter of convection, so after you have all the required knowledge related to at least conduction, after that you should be able to relate to these 3 steps. So the first step is always whatever information is given, make a diagram from it. That's what I followed when I solved 2 questions in the first chapter, at the ending of the first chapter. The second step is write or list down every information which is given to you. It may be values of material properties, it may be values of temperature, epsilon, K, anything can be given. Write down everything, whatever information is given with the units. And the third is, now you should be able to figure out that what is to be asked. So find or figure out, that should be a better word, figure out what you need to find or what's asked in the question. After that you should, or you may be inherently get some intuitions of what all concepts are included in the given question, and using which formulas you will be able to find what is asked in the question. So these 3 are the general steps. As and when we have all the knowledge of all the concepts included, all the equations, if we know all the equations and if we have solved a couple of examples, we should be easily be able to solve any heat transfer related problem. Okay, thank you.